Did you know John Davis had a pottery business, and he was so important to Davisville that they named Davisville after him.
Hi, I'm Barira, and did you know that the bell was still inside in 2006, and the bell was moved inside in 2010?
Hi, I'm Nitin. Did you know that the bell was made in 1860?
Hi, I'm Hatsi. The bell was in the bell tower of the school, and Davisville is named after John Davis.
Hi, I'm Grisha from Room 5. Did you know that the bell weighs 150 kilograms? And did you know that the bell was made 70 years before Canada became a country in 1867?
Hi, my name's Mila. In 1860, our school was in the village of Davisville. Before that, it was called Davis Corners after John Davis.
Hi, my name is Scarlett and I'm in Miss Wallinson's class. This bell used to be a bell to tell kids when to go to school 150 years ago.
Hi, my name is Claire. I'm in grade 3 and I'm in room 5. Did you know that our school was in one of the first schools in Toronto?
Hi, my name is Abdi, and I am in room 5. Did you know in 1860 there was a 2-room red brick schoolhouse right here where our school is right now?
Hi, my name is Lucas from J5. Did you know the bell was made in 1860? That is 154 years ago.
Hi, I'm George. Did you know the bell was made in Mealy's West Factory in Troy, New York?
Hi, I'm Nishay. Did you know that Davisville School was built 26 years after Toronto became a city in 1834?
Hi, I am Marco. I am from room 5. Did you know the bell was made in Troy, New York, and that is 625 kilometers away?